So I'm just heading out to my friend's house at the moment because a group of us are going to Fry's for one of them to make a new computer. And let's go. Oh God, why'd I do this to myself? No! That worked. Alright, let's roll. I don't like my neighbor. Alrighty, now that I've gotten on the move, you guys can see me riding for the first time. It's not my first time riding, but you'll see me. I started about a month ago. Hopefully I can adjust the volume later, but yeah, I started about a month ago. And I started on a Yamaha FZ1 2002, which is a leader bike, for those that don't know. But you have no idea how many people called me dumb or like crazy for starting on a leader bike. Ignore what I just did. By all means, you can judge how I ride my motorcycle. I'll take the criticism, whether it's good or bad, but yeah, this I'm cold. This pretty much how I ride usually. How am I cold? It's only like 60 something. Oh, look at this guy go. By all means, you can judge how I ride my motorcycle. I'll take the criticism, whether it's good or bad, but yeah, this I'm cold. This pretty much how I ride usually. How am I cold? It's only like 60 something. But lost my train of thought. Man, that car is smoking. Damn it. Stop fighting me. Stop fighting me. There we go. Jesus. That's a lot of hay. Like a ridiculous amount of hay. It's not as if though I don't see that almost every day at work though. For those that do not know, I work at Medieval Times, just over at Buena Park where I'm heading towards. I'm not gonna work yet, but I am heading in that direction. That bird just made a U-turn. I'm not sure you saw it. Like, oh shit, nope, out of here. Damn, I can smell a cigarette from here. Well, since I'm stopped, might as well look at the bike, right? What the hell is this? Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. I don't even know what that is.